Hello to all you Boomwhackers out there. Last month, we released our brand new Boomwhacker section on MusicplayOnline. In this video, we're going to dive into the Boomwhacker interactive that's available on MusicplayOnline. Let's jump in and get started. Log in to MusicplayOnline and head over to the Boomwhacker section. The Boomwhacker section is on the left-hand menu between recorder and xylophone. Now that we're here, check out the interactive Boomwhacker. When you click on it, a menu will appear. You have three options: Interactive Boomwhacker, Boomwhacker Notation, and Chord Progressions. Let's start with the Interactive Boomwhacker. The instructions will pop up, and we'll walk you through it here. To hear the sound of the pitch, click on the Boomwhacker. If you want to hide some Boomwhackers, click on the letter names at the top. Now you see we have a C major chord. Another way to build and hear a C major chord is to click on C major down below. You will hear it play each note and then the whole chord. Let's see how G major chord sounds. As you can see, we are only using one octave for our Boomwhacker interactive. Because of this, G major chord is in second inversion, but all the notes are still there. Let's try one last chord. Watch A minor build itself. You'll see there are two C's. A minor is in first inversion with an octave on C. To reset the activity, click on Reset, and to return to the main menu, click on Menu. Now let's dive into Boomwhacker notation. Here we see scales and chords on the staff. The only scale we use in this activity is C major because it has no sharps or flats. Click on Ascending to see an ascending scale with the Boomwhacker colors. Click on the notes to hear their sound. To see the descending scale, click on Descending. Click on C major. You can see the C major on the staff as individual notes and then as a chord. The chords work in the same way as they did in the other activity. This time, however, you can see them on the staff. To reset the activity, click on Reset. Let's head back to the menu for the final activity. Chord Progressions is a great beginning tool to use if you want to play the songs in the Boomwhacker units with the chords. A few songs are one-chord songs, but there are many more that have chord progressions. Practice playing the chord progressions with this tool. The chords at the bottom are the same as the last activity. The progressions show only the solid chords. For example, let's click F to C, or 4 to 1. You can see here that there's an F chord and a C chord that follows it. Click on the chord to hear the chord broken and solid. We have progressions that go from 2 chords to 4 chords. That's it for the Boomwhacker interactive, but don't forget to check out the rest of the unit. To dive deeper into MusicplayOnline, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching!